What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Hercules. Thank you for stopping by my channel once again. Thank you for chilling with me. It is the second Saturday of the month. You already know what that means. We're going to Supercar Saturdays, baby. Let's get it. So we're gonna go through all the cars that are gonna be parked up, you know, just vibing there and shit. I love exploring and just walking around, seeing these cars. It's amazing. So you already know the vibes for this video. It's gonna be cards and cars, baby. Vintage, we're gonna go through modern. We're gonna see all types of cars this time. So without further ado, let's go. I have to take the packs out because you know your boy's not gonna litter today. It's a beautiful day for sure. Alright, I'll see you guys there. Supercar Saturday, baby. We are here, we're out, we're getting things done. Let's see some cars. That was something. I did not even try to open Pokemon packs in that place, bro. It was way too hot, and but it was fun. We saw so many amazing cards. Let me know which card was your favorite. And what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna open those packs right away and see if we pull something wild. I wish I opened them with people around there, but again, it was way too hot. I didn't have sleeves with me. I was sweaty. We can pull one of the Charizards and I will hate myself so much if I pull it and I have no sleeves and there's a lot of sweat just falling on the cards, you feel me? So let's see if we can pull something right now. Let's go. Alright, so we got 5 packs. We got 1 Charizard, we got 1 Arceus, or Arceus, whatever you want to call him. And these other 3 packs. So we're gonna start with these, then Arceus, and then Charizard. Let's see what we can pull. Oh yeah, it was way too hot, bro. Way too hot. It's alright though. I had fun, like I said. Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Let's get it. We got Energy, Growtle, Berry, Clank, and Shinx. We got Bidoof, Electabuzz, Howlucha, Weasel, Team Yell's Cheer, and Druddigon. Nothing crazy. Alright. It's a bunch of trash. Bunch of trash. Alright. What else can we pull from this packs? Code card. 2, 3, 4 to the front. Back looks alright. Let's see. Let's go a little faster. These Shroomin, Forlorn, Duskull, Sneasel. Oh, straight Corphish, Shroomish, and Torterra holographic rare. Alright, at least we got a holo, I guess. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got Psychic Energy, Provo Fast, Prinplup. Oh, okay. Bruh. Cinccino, Piplup, there you go. Tortwig, nice.
Throw. Magmar. Oh, straight to the reverse again. Staryu. Magma base in reverse. And Muck. Non-holo rare. Alright. Down to the last two packs. We got Arceus and Charizard. Can we pull something, bro? Can we pull something nice from this pack? I bought these packs at CVS. CVS had these. And, cold card. Sorry, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Psychic. Dusclops. More Graham. Gabite. That's a nice art. I really like that Pokemon. Gible. Tortwig. Trapinch. Piplup. Shroomish. Bibarel. And Infernape Hollow. Okay. Nothing crazy. We got the last pack, Charizard pack. Hopefully we can pull one of the swords in this pack. Let's see. Let's save the pack art because the pack art it's nice. I like this one. There you go. We're gonna go straight like that. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And we're gonna put this one right here. Maybe that's the rare. Maybe that's the Charizard. Let's go through these real quick. Tortwig, Encino, Carblast, Weasel, Howluch, and Choice Belt. Reverse. And I bet there is not gonna be anything exciting. Whoa, okay. Agron V Max, bro. Ooh, that is nice and shiny. Oof. Nice, nice, nice. Very lovely, very lovely. Charizard art pack. Not a Charizard, but hey, we'll take it. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you again for stopping by, and I will see you on the next one.